Hello students, I'm Vincent Fernandez, your math teacher from Sri Sarvajna Public School. So today we are going to form a few equations. How do we form an equation if we are given a word problem? Say for example, this is the sum of 3 times x and 11 is 32. Example, the sum of 3 times a number and 11 is 32. So when a statement of this form is given, so how do we convert it into a mathematical equation, a simple equation? So solution for this is quite simple. We write, let the number which is unknown be x. Let the number be x. Of course, you can take any alphabet from A to Z. It is not required that you have to always take x, but for the sake of convenience, I take x to be the unknown number. So let the number be x, sum of 3 times a number. What is the sum of 3 times a number? Sum of 3 times number is equal to 3 multiplied by x, correct? So 3 times x, so that means it is equal to 3x. The sum of 3 times a number and 11. So 3x plus 11. This is the sum of 3 times a number. So we can say that 3 times a number is 3x and the sum of 3 times a number would be this, correct? So what is it equal to? They have already given it as it is equal to 32. So this is equal to 32. So this is a simple equation. So we have converted the word problem into a simple equation. Now the problem is to be solved, correct? What is x? That is what we have to find out. So how do we find this out? So let us take another method called as the trial and error method. So a trial and error method will involve giving a value to x such that this left side becomes equal to the right side. Now what if I put here as in the place of x, what shall I put? Let us try with a 0. Okay. So if x is equal to 0, then what will happen to this? 3 into 0 plus 11 is equal to what? 0 plus 11, which is not equal to 32. So I have not got the correct answer. So left side has not become equal to right hand side, right? So let us try with another value. X is equal to 1. So in that case, 3 into 1 plus 11 is equal to 3 plus 11, which is equal to 14, which is not again equal to 32. So this method is taking a lot of time, right? Because this is, therefore it is called as a trialing and error. So if there is an error, we try with a new value. So what about if x is equal to 2? So 3 into 2 plus 11 is equal to 6 plus 11, which is a 17, which is not equal to 32. So value of x is not 2. Let us try with x is equal to 3. So 3 multiplied by 3 plus 11 is equal to 9 plus 11, which is equal to 20. Again, it is not equal to 32. So I have tried 4 different values and still I have not got the correct answer. So let us try with 1 more or 2 more values. Let us try that. So how can we do that? If x is equal to 4, then 3 multiplied to 4 plus 11 is equal to 3 fourths 12. 12 plus 11 is 30, how much? Is it 23? So it is 23, right? So 23, which is again not equal to 32. It's the mirror image of it, that's all. So what if x is equal to 5? Then 3 multiplied to 5 plus 11 is equal to 15 plus 11, which is 26, correct? So again it is not equal to 32. So what if x is equal to 6? Then it is 3 multiplied to 6 plus 11, which is 18 plus 11, 29, which is again not equal to 32. X is equal to 7, then 3 multiplied to 7 plus 11 is equal to 21 plus 11, which is equal to 32. So finally, we got the value of x to be 7. So here we can see therefore the value of x is 7. So if x is equal to 7 is the answer to this question. Now in this method, that is a trial and error method, we have to do a lot of calculations to find and arrive at the solution, right? So this is what is called as trial and error method of solving an equation. So thank you students, have a nice day, bye bye.